Hello, everybody. Mark McRae from Inaxsys here. I'm here with Sean Gilfillan from Ajax, and we just assisted and witnessed the special event, the Ajax Special Event, introducing some amazing new products. And I'd like to ask my friends from Ajax a few questions. So tell us more about the video doorbell that we saw. It looked amazing.
Yeah, the video doorbell is a groundbreaking device from Ajax. As you heard Alex speak about it, the speed in which we transmit audio and video to the end user, but also having those failback channels using our jeweler and wings. So in the event that the Wi-Fi goes offline, the integrator will still be able to connect to the device remotely, change Wi-Fi, that kind of stuff. Those are the issues that plague current doorbells out on the market. So it's a pretty exciting device from Ajax, and we're excited to launch it probably in North America towards the end of Q1.
End of Q1. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks amazing, actually. Another couple of products that we saw in the presentation that Rob presented was the light switches for North America, so 120-volt light switches. Can you talk a little bit about that, please?
Yeah, again, in Ajax's nature, we want to make products that look really good. I think those are probably some of the best looking light switches on the market. And the touch or the plate on it itself is, you don't have to physically touch it. You can just hold your hand in front of it, making it good for places where you get your hands dirty, hospitals, clinics, that kind of stuff. And then again, all programmable through the app, same QR code to enable it, making it very easy on the installer, and it doesn't require a neutral wire. So just a simple L1, L2 line from the electrician, and it's done. And then things like the backlit display that you can turn on and off from the app, create scenarios and all that kind of stuff. We also expect that to be delivered towards the end of Q1 in 2025.
Beautiful. I can't wait to have that in my own house, actually.
Yeah, I have a couple. I'm pretty lucky.
You do? Yeah, you should send some samples our way. Another thing that I thought was amazing was the introduction of the indoor camera also. AC-powered indoor camera, but Wi-Fi at the same thing. Tell us a little bit about that, please.
Yeah, this is actually a pretty new device as far as I'm concerned. Again, what separates that device from our competitors' devices is the failback technology. So if the Wi-Fi does go out or there's a change in router at the customer's house, everything's accessible through jeweler and wings. So that integrator or dealer can connect to the camera through the hub, change the Wi-Fi, and or if the Wi-Fi goes out and the power goes out to the Wi-Fi, it's still going to communicate over that 900 megahertz frequency. That's really what changes that camera and makes it different than what some of our competitors are making right now.
Wow. Excellent, excellent. Thank you very much, Sean. And thank you, Ajax, for the introduction to all these new products for the end of 2024 and 2025. Honestly, I think the future is bright for Ajax. The future is bright for these amazing products that are now available in the North American marketplace.
Awesome. Well, we really appreciate you guys hosting today our Ajax Special Event Multiverse, and we appreciate all you guys' continued partnership.
Our pleasure, our pleasure.